Hey everyone, Enoch here from Chase the Sunrise, Portugal. Today we're in a little place called Aldeia da Mata Pequena, which translates to Village of the Small Bush. It's literally like in the hills behind Mafra. Very quaint, very well preserved. Let's go do a little walking tour through here. In the serene hills behind Mafra's palace, extending beyond its hunting grounds, lie the picturesque hills and valleys of the countryside. Here, rural life endures, and some of its oldest traditions persist. Perched on one of these hills is a tiny village, more akin to a hamlet, that has been meticulously preserved in its entirety. This charming enclave of bygone days has been lovingly restored by Anna and Diogo, a couple that is passionate about safeguarding the essence of the old Portuguese Saloy region. With historical ties reaching back to the Moorish occupation and the reconquest of the land by Dom Afonso Henriques, the first king of Portugal, these lands once supplied Lisbon with wine, cheese, fruits, vegetables, and various other products. In the last century, as modernization swept through Portugal, many traditional jobs and ways of life came to an end. Nevertheless, numerous villages in this region still actively practice and uphold some of their traditions through significant fairs and cultural events held every year. Aldeia da Mata Pequena is not merely a glimpse into the past, it's also a rural hotel. You can immerse yourself in the experience of living in one of these fully restored, quaint homes during a vacation. I'll include a link in the description if you're interested in booking a stay here. Preserving our history is vital, offering a poignant reminder of the past. Yet, it's equally important to embrace progress while cherishing the heritage that has paved the way. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked our videos, give us a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe to our channel.